Good morning all of you. Today is the first class of Physics Chapter 1 Measurement and Experimentation of this session. Before we start the chapter, we have to know what is estimation. Estimation is the process of finding an estimate or approximation which even with very little data. Estimation by order of magnitude. Order of magnitude is the quality of powers of 10 that there are in a number or the number of powers of 0.1 in a negative number. Order of magnitude is usually written as 10 to the nth the power, 10 to the n power. N represents the order of magnitude. If you raise a number by one order of magnitude, you multiply by 10. If you decrease a number by one order of magnitude, you multiply by 0.1. So why do we need accurate measurements? Accurate measurements are important because precise amounts are required for reactions to take place, for a recipe to turn out, and to keep correct records of a measurement. Now, measurement of a physical quantity. The measurement of any physical quantity involves the comparison of its magnitude with a standard of the same kind. Magnitude of a physical quantity is equals to numerical value of the measure into size of its unit. There are different kinds of units: fundamental unit and derived unit. There are two types of units. These are fundamental units and derived units. So what are fundamental units? Fundamental units are the units which is independent of any other units and cannot be derived from any other units are called fundamental units. For examples, units of length, mass, time, etc. And what is derived unit? Now, derived unit. The unit which is independent, the unit of measurement which can be expressed in terms of fundamental units are called derived units. For example, units of speed, units of volume, units of area, etc. are the derived unit, because we have to derive these units from the fundamental units. Suppose the area of a square equals to meter square. The unit of a square is meter square and the volume is meter cube. That is why they are derived unit. They are derived from the meter. They are not independent. Now we will find the order of magnitude of some physical quantities. Physical quantities value order of magnitude. Thickness of a pencil. What is the value of thickness of a pencil? 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. What is the length? Length equals to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. In this way, we have to remember this table: length, mass, time travel, time interval. These are the order of magnitudes of some physical quantities. That is, this one you have to read this full table. Next day we will start from the systems of unit. Okay, before concluding the chapter, you have to do the assignment number 1 at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.